And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the last and final of all 20 Kamen Riders of the Heisei era turned into figurized standard. We have Mass Rider Kiva. Yes, Kiva here is the last of the Heisei Riders main Heisei Riders to be turned into a figurized standard model kit. And in the box art, we see here, yes, most of the opening, or rather the aesthetics, if you watch Kiva, the chains, the roses, and the broken glasses. And yes, we have here Ascension belt, but yep, more prominent is Kiva the Vat, the third. So off to the side, we see Kiva front and back. Some poses you can do with him, and of course you can replicate his finisher attack. And they are boasting that he can do this pose, which is what he does before he unleashes his finisher. And of course there are many other manipulators. Okay. Off to the other side, we see information about Kiva, the show, and of course right here, all about the sprues, the parts, and how it was made. So without further ado, let's take a look inside what's inside the box. And of course we are greeted with one bag with all silver. As you can see earlier, he has silver armor. Second bag is a sprue, two sprue, one, oh, shiny, glossy. Is this metallic red? And a multicolor sprue and a big sticker sheet. Second sprue is two black sprues, and it looks familiar. Is this once again, I think, yeah, looks like a part or sprues from Kuga. Looks like, okay, I'm not sure. Second bag, we have a stand and all black parts. Last one, we have the standard stand and more black parts. And of course, we have here the instruction manual and Kiva and all this glory. Yep, I cannot wait to see if he really can do this pose. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have parts, black parts, we have clear white parts, clear yellow parts, and of course some gold parts. This is obviously for the face. Yeah, same with here, maybe parts of the body, the shoulders. These are all his, the flutes in his belt, and that summons the attack. This is for Kiba the Vat, the third, and yeah, this is for the other feet. So that's the A sprue. We have then two B2 sprues, which, like I said, looks familiar because I'm not sure, 100% sure, but yeah, this is a dead give off that this was from Kuga because I know Kuga has this one and only piece, for the feet. So that's the B sprue. We also have a C1 sprue here, which is all black parts again, so parts of the waist, parts of the hand, the feet, yeah, legs. And yeah, there's also a C2, which is, yeah, this portion. So that small portion of C1 duplicated for C2, and of course a shiny red. I'm not sure if this is metallic or just shiny, but yes. So more parts for most of this is the hands. This is for the feet, when he does his finisher attack, it opens up. Yeah, parts of the belt, collar. So that's the D sprue. Last sprue is the E sprue, which is this one, all silver, because he has silver parts. Yeah, again, this is the part of the leg when normally it just closes, but when he does his attack, it opens up. So that's the E sprue. And of course, they gave you, or they gave us, two stands. One is the standard stand from the Figure 8 Standard, and the other is a support stand for Kiva the third, if you want to replicate that guy going around, opening up his feet for the attack. And yes, lastly, we have a very, very, very large sticker sheet. Can't be helped, but hey, nice. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the latest Figure 8 Standard on the Kamen Rider line, Mask Rider Kiva, the last main rider of the Heisei series, the 28th rider in the Heisei series, to be turned into a plastic model kit. And of course, they are continuing this with going back to Kuga on his final form. And I also hope that they do, or Kiva gets his other forms, the Garulu form, the Basha form, and the Doga form. Anyways, this is Mixerwars saying, and this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.